The best affiliate marketing niches are evergreen niches. These are niches that have been proven to be profitable over the years. Want to know the most profitable niches in affiliate marketing you should invest in? In this video, I share my top picks. Let's jump right in. Best affiliate marketing niches to invest in. It is very important to find a profitable niche if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing in less time. Finding a profitable niche in any affiliate marketing business is key to success. It takes away the endless struggle and finds a reward for your hard work in less time. The problem with a niche is that they are so many. Which one would you choose? Even when you have found the right niche, without the right marketing strategy or focus, it becomes an enormous challenge. This is why only 10% of affiliates in the world drive 90% of the profits. You need to understand your chosen niche to help identify the strengths and interests. After all, your central focus is to make it as profitable as possible. What is an affiliate niche? An affiliate niche is merely the principal focus of your chosen affiliate marketing business. If you plan on promoting fashion-related products, then your entire campaign would be built around the fashion industry. You can go further to focus on shoes or jewelry or dresses. You can even go further to focus on women's shoes, jewelry or dresses. The area you choose to focus during your affiliate marketing efforts is your niche. Therefore, you would have to research accurately around your chosen niche and come off with the right ideas that would boost conversions and increase your sales. According to Neil Patel, this is a fail-proof strategy to win. Brainstorm and research for topics within your niche. Narrow your list of topics by using Core to find which topics are trending. Evaluate these topics by searching on ClickBank to see if you can monetize them. Use AdWords to find the right keywords for your given niche further. Lastly, start selling products by signing up on a reputable affiliate marketing platform. This strategy will help you excel once you have selected the right niche. But which affiliate niche would make you more affiliate commissions in less time? The shortest answer is to look for niches that have a large following of people willing to pay the products and services you promote, are always relevant and never go out of existence. To help you make the right choice, I searched market trends and excellent affiliate websites and was able to put together a great list of affiliate niches which will perform excellently well. Now, let's dive right in and find one for you. Health and fitness niches. Since the internet came into existence, health and fitness niches have created the highest amounts of traffic. People from all backgrounds are always in search of information and the best products for their health needs. This single niche brings in about $3.7 trillion globally. You don't have to be a health guru to make it industry. Pick out specific sub-niches, stay alert for popular products, write properly researched articles, and you are good to go. Some top sub-niches within this industry you can develop include weight loss. Blogs focused on dieting information and may consist of diet recipes sections. It might also be a personal journal about weight loss. Healthy eating. Blogs focused on sharing new and existing healthy food recipes, food challenges and many more. Fitness professionals, blogs owned by personal trainers and coaches who share information about their training services and may even sell personalized workout plans, videos, and specific nutritional information. Stress management, blogs focused on proving business owners with organization methods, products, and everything to combat stress. Skincare. Blogs focused on sharing information about the proper ways to care for one's skin while selling skincare products as well. Reproductive health shares information about reproductive health. The most popular blogs within this niche focus on pregnancy and moms. Others, this is blogs that do not fall into any of these specific niches but cater to providing all kinds of health information. A good example is Healthline.com. Digital marketing niches. Digital marketing is another broad niche that has been growing speedily in the last 15 years. It focuses on all kinds of advertising done on the internet via websites, email, social media platform, mobile apps, and search engines. A lot of businesses are now acutely aware of the numerous benefits they can gain from having an effective digital marketing strategy. You don't have to be very efficient to build a website that offers digital marketing services. In fact, this niche is so broad that many do not consider it as a niche anymore. And due to its vast size, you must be very specific about your services. The right way to build a successful affiliate marketing business within this niche is by making properly researched articles, videos, webinars, and products. You can learn from Neil Patel, who is a very successful digital marketer in the industry. Some sub-niches within this fantastic industry include social media marketing, focus on providing advert copies and generating traffic through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and many more. Web design and optimization, focused on customized plugins and tools to increase visibility. Mobile marketing, marketing on mobile platforms such as mobile apps. Email marketing, designing ad copies specifically for email conversion and sales. Online advertising, ad copies for search engine marketing, SEM, or paid search, social ads and video advertising. SEO marketing, providing technical SEO tools for businesses. Video marketing, providing quality video contents to generate traffic and sales. Content marketing, providing various types of web-based content such as video, blog posts, infographics, ebooks and podcasts. Business strategy, helping businesses formulate unique marketing strategies. Dating and relationships niches. Dating and relationships is one evergreen niche you should invest in. Relationships are highly vital to the world. People are willing to spend a lot of money on finding someone to love or even a quick fling. The industry has brought in over $2.5 billion in the US alone. You can build a highly profitable affiliate business in this niche. Some of them don't really need quality content, but rather materials meant to foster interaction across the platform like dating sites. Datingadvice.com is an impressive platform you can pick ideas from. Specific sub-niches you can build include religion, Christian, Jewish, Muslim, etc. Job, dating sites for lawyers/doctors, emergency services, teachers, etc. Usage, dating, hookups and flings, long-term relationships, long-distance affairs. Age, elderly, divorcees, teens, college, young professionals. Marriage niche. Best affiliate marketing niche is marriage. Writing about marriage can make an exciting business prospect, if not one that is fulfilling. People spend a lot of money on weddings and even more on trying to make their marriages work. You can build an impressive business sharing insight, tips, recipes that can help people develop satisfying relationships with their spouse. On the side, you can make money as an affiliate marketer, sharing renowned marriage books, ads for wedding planners and even offer personalized coaching services. There are over 3 million marriage-related products on Amazon alone. You can equally affiliate for marriage-related businesses who wish for the extra visibility. While we bring you a list of hot niches about marriage, you can check out Laura Doyle's website for amazing tips on how to begin. Marriage life for couples on a limited budget, financial advice, family planning tips, wedding planning tips, etc. Help for long-distance couples, motivational guides for marriages across borders. Getting through a divorce, expert tips, financial advice and emotional encouragement for those going through a divorce. Wedding planning, recipes, wedding styles, decor styles, wedding accessories, etc. Working from home affiliate niches. Work from home, a profitable affiliate marketing niche. The business world is revolutionizing rapidly. Today, people want to work from home rather than have to go to some office every day. However, although this business seems lucrative, it has perks. This is why home business owners are forever searching for information on how to manage their clients, get more clients, organize their home and many more. As an affiliate marketer, you can help these freelancers fulfill this need without moving out of your comfort zone or having a product of your own. You can affiliate for books, coaching products, productivity apps, time management outfits, etc. All you need is expertly researched articles, webinars, videos, and interactive forums. Dan Stuffield Thomas, Charlie Gilkey, Jacob Sokol, and Emith are all fulfilling these needs. You can check out these top sub-niches. Productivity, stress and time management niche. Business coaching niche. Writing and editorial tips. Organization and management and many more. Wealth and investment niches. Wealth and investment niches. You can build an impressive affiliate marketing business helping individuals find the right places to invest their money. This evergreen niche is indeed worthwhile, although you might need to be a financial expert to put up some of its sub-niches. You can provide financial tips, Help individuals build excellent investment portfolios while earning a tremendous amount of money by assisting them to pick the right financial products. Be prepared to write white papers, case studies, and detailed ebooks to keep your customers engaged. NerdWallet and Money Saving Expert are perfect examples. Some top sub-niches within this platform include foreign currency exchange markets, focused on stock market trends. Essential Investment and Wealthy Guide, focused on providing general money management and budget guides. Digital Currency Niche, providing guides and the latest information about the crypto world. Credit Card Niche, providing expert advice on loans and credit card related problems. Pets Niche. Pets niches are cat, dog, and bird lovers affiliate marketing niches. You can build a successful affiliate business by investing in the pet industry. There are thousands of excellent pet affiliate programs to set you up on the right foot. People take their pets very seriously and are willing to spend lots of money to provide them with proper care. In fact, this niche pulls in over $21 billion annually, so it's really lucrative. However, you can actually mix up these sub-niches into one amazing big business that pools in earnest money for you. Some top sub-niches are as follows. Pet Grooming, focuses on information about the right hygienic care for pets. Recipes for pets, homemade dishes, recipes for skincare for pets. Luxury Clothes and Accessories, provides info about the latest pet style designs and products. Expensive Hobbies Niche. Expensive hobbies: women playing golf. Believe it or not, there are hobbies people develop and seek out continuously on the internet. Many of these hobbies and their products come with an impressive price tag. As an affiliate marketer, you can make tons of money helping these individuals find fulfillment in their hobbies. This crazy niche will bring in lots of money for you, even when you are no expert on the subject. All you need to do is follow up on innovative products, provide excellent case studies and white papers. You should also follow top stories and events in your given sub-niches to keep your audience engaged with your platform. Just remember, some of these sub-niches are more expensive than others, so you should know the pocket of your target audience before signing up. Some sub-niches you can look out for include gun collecting, a particularly closed-up niche focused on finding guns for a select individual. Travel and outdoor survival guides, survival tips, products, cheaper hotels and many more. Woodworking, focused on artistic crafts in the world of pyrography. Sailing, guides and reviews about sailing and its related products. Home gardening, tips, reviews, and tutorials about gardening. Antique collecting, beautifully designed ancient artworks. Arts and crafts, access to artworks, handcrafted materials as well as vintage accessories. Golf. Gaming niche. Gaming niches: best affiliate marketing niches. The gaming niche has also been lucrative since the year 2000. At one time, it was specifically for the adolescent age. Today, all kinds of people from all age classes, social status, and gender enjoy virtual entertainment. The rise of smartphones and portable devices has equally sweetened the deal. You can build a fantastic affiliate outfit by providing access to gaming apps, tools and many more. All you need to do is offer new releases, gaming guides, access to games, reviews, help articles, and hardware access for your target customer. You would be astonished just how much people are willing to let go of to fuel their desires for the virtual world. More specifically, you can look out for products surrounding the following sub-niches. Gaming forums, interactive chat rooms focused on sharing expert advice about gaming software. Online gambling reviews, providing insights about casinos, sports and many more. Gaming strategy guides, expert information about the right way to use casinos, betting apps, gaming apps, etc. Technology niche. Technology niches: best affiliate marketing niches. We all love the wonders of having good gadgets, and this does not merely mean our mobile phones. Owing to this fact, developers are pooling in skills and resources searching for better technological tools to ease off our daily needs. Therefore, technology will always be a good niche to build your affiliate business on. All you need to do is keep up with the latest trends, and try to bring in a little bit more of its sub-niches into your platform. Check out headphonesaddict.com. However, you should stay focused on one or two of them. Sub-niches to explore. News tech, trending info about latest gadgets, home appliances, etc. Tutorials tech, providing guides on how to maximize the use of technological tools. Reviews tech, Honest info about which tools supersede others. Cybersecurity, centered on the security challenges surrounding the cyberspace. Health tech, finding and reviewing health apps, tools, and programs. Green technology, news info about the energy industry, its products, and their applications. 3D printing niche. 3D printing best affiliate marketing niches. 3D printing might seem like a new niche for affiliate marketing, but it is pooling in a massive amount of traffic and sales. Brick-and-mortar 3D printing firms are looking for affiliate marketers to help them increase visibility and sell their products. In return, you earn huge, over $8,000, for generating sales. All you need to do is establish credibility by writing honest reviews, case studies, buyer guides, and follow up on the latest information in this area. There are no sub-niches within this platform because it is pretty much focused. However, this does not in any way mean fewer commissions. Concluding thoughts. Finding the right affiliate marketing niche would ease your way towards success. However, this does not happen overnight. You will not begin making money in your sleep until you have created an incredible affiliate marketing strategy. Do your research and build a solid strategy about how you plan to make a living out of affiliate marketing. Thankfully, the niches in this list will boost your income. Develop your approaches around any one of them and nurture it properly. With more people going online to make their purchases, I am sure you can launch a highly successful affiliate marketing business. What do you think? Let me know if I missed any profitable niche in the comments below. If you found this video to be valuable, like the video. It only takes a few seconds. I have a free ebook which you can download instantly, on how I make $3,597 per month with affiliate marketing. This ebook shows you practical ways to generate massive numbers of hungry buyers to your affiliate link. The best part is that these are all free methods. I have included the link in the description below. Also, let me know your favorite tip in this video. I read all comments and respond whenever necessary. And lastly but not least, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I publish new videos with similar content. See you in the next video. Cheers.